All right, this is another video of showing how the Pinecil soldering iron does with a soldering job. This is a potentiometer with some rather heavy leads compared to a resistor or a pin header. Let's have a look at how the Pinecil soldering iron does at this job. I'm going to start by just soldering these three smaller pins into place. See what those fillets look like. Yeah, that looks good. Let me just set this board in place here. Get it sitting on a breadboard to hold it. All right, now let's do the most challenging soldering job with the larger structural leads here. There we go. That's the first one. And there's the second one. Let's have a look at that. And it looks like that'll hold that firmly in place. Looks pretty clean. Maybe hard to build up a fillet on that large hole as the solder was running downhill to the other side. Okay, that's an example of soldering with the Pinecil soldering iron. Thank you for watching.